y2k 2000s photo editor, retro digital camera filter, nostalgic photo editor, apply vintage filters, drag and drop stickers, add different collages, write song lyrics, bring back 2000s energy, edit with digicam filters, collage stickers, just throw back photo era starts now. Step into y2k era where flip phones, flash photos, and overexposed selfies rule the internet. So here is, you can just go and then just double click to install it. So yeah, here is the idea, and then you can just open it up. Pretty cool. And then there is weekly or yearly, and then just can upload photo, save image. So for example, I have this photo, options, JPEG, collage texture, noise, you can just add noise, you can just add some blur. Or you can just enable filters like that. So for example, Nokia filter, and then you can just have it like that. Then you can just tap to save it. Your image is downloaded. And then you can just tap to save image. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, that's what you have.